Okay, so just going to have a quick look at me using my new toy, the Quooker tap. So easy way to make a nice healthy evening dinner. Just going to add some instant boiling water to some couscous. And then all I need to do with that is let it sit in my boiling water for a couple of minutes. That'll be fine. Whilst I'm doing that, you know, people always wonder how to cook spinach or overcook it, it tastes horrible. I just simply add boiling water to it. So just that's all you ever need to do for spinach. Put a little bit of heat into it, that'll cook it nicely. I'm going to add that to my plate. And then similar, just got some frozen peas, just going to add some peas. Give that around about 30 seconds, I'll drain it off. Just serve it with a bit of fish, a bit of couscous, some frozen peas, a 500 calorie dinner, cooked in no time. Why not give it a crack?